What's going on, and welcome to Oil and Gears. Today we're going to do a fun mod, and one that I've been wanting to do for quite some time. Today we're going to add the RS 2.0 solar yellow side mirrors with the blinkers. Now I've had these for quite some time, but I wanted to paint them. I ended up getting them vinyl wrapped with carbon fiber. But first we need to undo the battery and get any electrical current out of the system. So let's get to it.
I painted these because they were starting to fade, so I just sanded it down with about 1000 grit sandpaper and then painted it with this Duplicolor bumper and trim paint. Alright, so now that we're going to rewire the RS2 side mirrors with the blinkers, this is what I got at the junkyard. You can get these wiring harnesses for like $2, just extra wire, OEM wire that goes to the XB. But so I got two wires that are close to the same colors as what's on the side marker. So we'll use these, strip them, and rewire. Alright, so now that we have the door panel taken off, we're going to go through the back of the speaker. We're going to take the one side of the rubber grommet that goes from inside the door wiring to the car. We're going to take that one off, and then we're going to run from the side marker through that rubber grommet back out here and run it up the door into the new side mirror, where it'll be rewired to the blinker. Alright, so now that we've gotten the rubber grommet out, we're going to use a coat hanger and we're going to fish the wires that I got from the wiring harness from the side fender to the opening of the side marker. And it's pretty easy just to fish this through. So to take the side marker, just use a little elbow grease and you can pop it right off. Just like that. So now that we have this fished through, we'll grab our wires. We'll tie them here on the end. And then we'll fish them back through the fender. Also make sure you grab some tape and you just tape up some of the wires here. Just like that, that way they don't slip through. Okay, so now that we got everything soldered on the side marker, now these are the wires that we fished through the fender, and we're going to put through that rubber grommet on the side. So to make it easier, I'll just use the wire hanger again. Now that we've got the wires fished through that rubber grommet, yes, you can see the wires right here through the fender, but you don't really notice them unless you really look. So I'll probably tuck those away at some point, but for now, we're going to take these and we'll solder them. So now we're going to solder these wires that's connected to the side marker to the wire that's connects to the side mirror blinker. So this connects to the side mirror blinker and we'll add it there. This white wire here we won't need, so I'm just going to cut that off. Always make sure you use heat shrink for your wiring as well. Alright, so now we'll add some flux to the wires. We'll grab our harness. Put your heat shrink on the wires before you solder. Now that we've gotten the wires soldered, now we put the heat shrink on and we shrink those. Now that we've gotten the wires soldered, we're going to run this behind the speaker through here, and then we'll be able to hook up the side mirror with the blinker. Now that we've rewired everything, we're going to take this clip out and take this side piece off, and these are going to use a 10mm socket. So now we'll fish this wire through here, just like that. We'll grab our light. Alright, so now that we've got everything hooked up there, we will clip the blinker wire and then the side mirror. Alright, and now we'll put everything back. All right, now that we've gotten everything set up and wired, now we'll put the battery back on and then try out the blinkers. Check it out. Now this looks good. I finally got the blinkers on my side mirrors, and these came off in the RS 2.0. So there you go.
There you have it. We've added the solar yellow RS 2.0 side mirrors with the blinkers on my Scion XB. If you have any questions, comment down below. Like, comment, share, subscribe. We'll see you on the flip side. Peace!